When I asked you, my beautiful audience, the kind of videos you want me to be bringing to you, the most response I got was about food, our local spices, and how we can cook with them. So, this is a very small pot of soup, with our local fish and some local spices that I made that I put together to cook this small meal. So, come, let's cook this meal together. We have a lot of spices here. This pepper mix here, you can see. Okay, this is uzuza leaf, oil, that's seasoning of four, in case you don't know, is a thickener. And in this pepper mix we have a lot of we have arikoko and a lot of spices in it. Then we have our starfish ekel, then pomo and periwinkle. In Arugbo we call periwinkle abadikoto or alokpara. Alokpara, some people call it pion pion throwaway. Anyway, isam in some delta, in some parts of Nigeria. Okay, most times we are used to frying our soups. I don't like to fry, especially native soups like this. I don't like to fry, so I'm going in with my ekel fish and the pomo, you know yeah, trying to arrange everything so I can add pepper to it. That's my pepper mix. In this pepper mix we have almost everything. You can see the color. I have onion, arikoko, egg, everything native is here, is there. So this is I'm going in with my seasoning, my cooking seasoning, with some salt and water. So yeah, that's the salt. Cover it, let it boil together. After boiling, I open it. Yes, going in with red oil, not so much, because if you go in with red oil, you if the red oil is too much in this kind of soups, I don't know, it looks away, you want that brown color, so you just put a little oil. This is the ofo thickener. You can use any kind of thickener. Some people even use Gary as thickener, so any kind of thickener can be used. Then when the soup is set, I just go in with the uziza seed. This is ajija dimberi. Uziza is as ajija that we commonly know in Arugbo. So this is the dimberi. This is the leaf. So you can see how I'm carefully trying to handle the fish so it doesn't get broken, it doesn't scatter. Yeah. So just cover it to boil a little and your soup is almost ready. Everything is incorporated, combined together, and is ready. Most times the native soup pattern is mostly the same. You just need your ingredients to be set to put everything together. We don't have most, and in Arobo specifically, our fish determines the kind of soup that we cook. So you need all these thickness, all this leaf, to give it that taste, and all those arikoko, ege, apaupa. You need them to just give it that native, taste, and that's it. Cooking is always very easy, especially native soups. You can see here I'm enjoying my ekewa fei. That, I don't know, the name of the soup is native soup, ekewa fei. Anyone you call it, it's sha native soup. It is native soup. I enjoyed it. Yeah. So you want to cook anyhow you want to cook it. If you like to fry the fish first, put the water first, anyhow it is, as long as your ingredients are accurate, you have that taste that you want. That's it. Well, if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.